Hear me out. Are you a fashion designer? Are you a tailor? And you know about flounce? That type of flay we use in designing, our clothes, our neckline, or different parts of our clothes. Is the type of flay that you usually see that you used to coil, you used to fold in a very fanciful and very nice way. Now, I want to tell you that we have two major methods whereby you can use to cut this particular flounce. The first method is the one I call the spiral method. If you check on the internet, you see it is everywhere. Then another name I can call this spiral method. For those of you that don't understand what I mean by spiral, its name means anything that is spiral. Do you understand? Like that is just going like this. Do you understand? Then another name for those that you don't understand, I call it the orange peel method. Orange peel method is more like, when you are peeling your orange the traditional way. Do you understand? If you notice, when you are done peeling it, it will start, is wavy. It's like a flounce. It's like a flay. Do you understand? That's what I call the spiral method. So if you want to know about this spiral method, the easiest two methods whereby you can use to call this spiral method flounce or flay, I want you to watch this here. So in order to cut your flounce, as you can see, the first thing you need to do is to know how long, or will I say the thickness of your flounce. That is how thick you want the flounce to be. Now, for example, look at what I have right now. Now, I'm going to be measuring this just for you to know what I mean by the thickness of the flounce, or will I say the width of the flounce. Are you seeing it? So let's say you measure this particular stuff now, and you want your flounce to be 2 inches thick. Do you understand? 2 inches. Will I say the width is what? 2 inches. Or will I say the height is 2 inches? So let's say it's 2 inches. We all know that you need to add your allowance. So you can go ahead to add your allowance, making it up to 3 inches. So first thing we need to do is to get your fabric that you are going to use for it. You can use 1 yard or 2 yards, depending on how big you want your fabric to be. Then next thing you need to do is to fold it into 4. So you can see I'm folding it into 4. So the essence of folding it into 4 is to make sure we get the lines. Are you seeing it? I'm pressing my pattern paper. Now see this midpoint line is very, very important. So let's go and open it out. Now for those that want to use a lining, please, I advise you to also, plate your lining together with your materials. You are doing this, so you can see we are done marking it out. Yes, this is what you need to do. So now remember that 3 inches for your thickness, that is 2 inches plus 1 inch allowance. Now next thing you need to do is place at the midpoint, mark the 3 inches just like this. Place it also here from the midpoint, mark the 3 inches. You can also use your compass and do this. Do you guys understand? Okay, now place it here and also mark the 3 inches. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do, I want you to focus. So I'm going to be zooming this now so as for you guys to see it very well, because this part is very important. Now look at it. Take it like this from the midpoint, using a curve, connect it this way. Please, I want you to know that the method we are using to call this spiral flounce is a method I call the spiral flame method. I'll show you guys why this is called spiral flame method. Now as you can see, now you are done like this. Next thing you need to do is to connect. I'm going to show you guys how to connect it easily. Now I want you to do something. Now look at it from here. Make sure you connect it all the way to the other part which you already marked. Are you seeing it? Okay, connect it all the way to this other part. Are you seeing it? Connect it all the way to this other part. Are you seeing it? Our flounce is coming out. So next thing you need to do is to continue marking out the thickness of your flounce. Are you seeing it? 3 inches, that is what we are marking. Keep doing this 3 inches all the way. Now if you notice, it is no longer on the lines that I'm marking 3 inches. I'm even marking in between the two lines. That is to show you that I want to have a very accurate and precise shape. Are you seeing it? So you can go ahead and do this, as you can see. So let's also do 3 inches. Are you seeing it? Let's also do another 3 inches. So for now we can stop and connect till we continue. So let's continue connecting it. Are you seeing it? Please, I'm using my free hand. That's why it's not that too perfect. I mean the curve. You can also use anything you want to use, but I promise you free hand is also very, very good and okay. Just take your time and do it. Are you seeing it? So now I'm no longer marking the 3 inches because this is just the practice I'm showing you guys, but you are supposed to keep marking the 3 inches all the way. Are you seeing it? Just like this at the edges, just be marking 3 inches all the way. Are you seeing it? Okay, so that is exactly how we do our spiral flame method of flounce. Are you seeing it? So when you are done, the next thing we are going to be doing now is, are you seeing what I'm doing there? Yes, we are connecting it. Now, you can see we have something like a flame at the midpoint. Are you seeing it? It's just like a flame around that part that looks like an S. Are you seeing it? Okay, so as you can see, we are going to be cutting it out right now. So let's do the cutting, guys. Now look at it. We are cutting it out from this particular side. Are you seeing it? Okay. This is in order to give us a space for us to do the actual cutting. So I'm going to be stopping around here so that we can proceed the official cutting. So look at it, guys. So let's cut. Please, I'm going to make sure that this video goes faster because there's no need wasting time. Are you seeing it? So this is how you cut it all the way to the middle point. Are you seeing it? So when we are done cutting it out, you can see what I'm bringing out here now. What does it look like? It looks like a flame from a candle. That is why I called the name the spiral flame method. Please remember, we have another method I call the spiral 6 method. If you want to learn that, make sure you comment in the comment section. I want to learn the spiral 6, that is a figure method. So now after you are done, next thing you just need to do is to take this, use it and apply on your clothes as your flounce. You can go ahead to gather it in order to give it a little bit of thickness or maybe a little bit of weight. Thanks, and may God bless you. Now, if you're a fashion designer and you want to be the best when it comes to drafting any type of clothes, now I can tell you there is a solution right now. Have you guys ever heard of a book called The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide? This book is actually authored by me. I'm an authority in this particular field. In fact, if you want to check out, just go online, type CeeFashion, type The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. You'll be able to see several testimonies. You'll be able to see me teach people. I teach people in a very, very detailed manner. So if you have ever come across my video, you will know how detailed I am when it comes to teaching. So it is this same method I actually used in writing down this particular book. Like if you look at the book and you've seen my videos when I'm teaching, you'll be hearing my voice explaining exactly the way I'm explaining the video. That's exactly how I wrote this book. So for those of you that want to get this book, if you're on TikTok, all I want you to do is to click on the first link on my bio. You'll be able to get this particular book. If you are on YouTube, all I want you to do is to make sure you check under any particular video that I post. You'll be able to see it on a red cover, The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide.